G'day guys, Henry back from Any Given Time Corner with another one-eye release review. Tonight I'll be reviewing the 2016 movie The Blood Harvest, which is directed by George Clark, written by George Clark, which has a runtime of 86 minutes, and stars Aaron Crawford as the killer, Rachel Holloway as Julie, Griffin Medley as Ward, Matthew McCurry as Nut, Robert Van Jack, Ryan Ronald Kilroy, Rachel Stewart, Julie, Jean Paul Van der Field as Hatchet. What can I say about the plot? Okay. Killing the going on throughout Ireland, particular place, and this each body they find and his eyeballs missing and the mouth shut, and reveal the kills are not actually human. They're actually from another planet in human skin. This kind of a mixture of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre versus Bad Taste. Not all I will say. Stay with the plot. Now, pros and cons. Pros, this is some good gory moments, particularly the intro. I'm thinking, well, this is pretty full on, this is actually pretty brutal. The young woman had face smashed in. Then has her eyeball ripped out. And then she's screaming in her health. And this looks actually pretty brutal. This is the real most brutal scene in the whole movie. Apart from another scene where these guys were to attend a hut, and you see the guy, jump down the ground trying to escape, and he can't because he attends a hut and he's screaming his head off. Then he has his mouth sewn just like the other woman. And the same thing that goes on and on and on. And like another victim, his eyeball removed. That's all with the pros, really. What the movie is really on about is some gory kills, but it's the same old shit. Cons. George Clark wasn't able to write or direct even one or two. The screenplay is actually ridiculous. Same with the acting and the actual writing. Like I mentioned, this is horrendous, horrendous. This is actually pretty bad. I mean, the plot is just Bad Taste is so much better. Typical alien invasion type of movie. You find out at the end of the movie, they're actually aliens who wants to suck fluid. behind Bill Ironforce, and had cop turn out to be the head of them. That's how you find out what they are. Not really that interesting. This movie is just so bad written. So bad written. The acting is pretty bad as well. None. What makes this movie what it is just a kill. Nothing really that good. It's got a cool name, cool premises. Love the movie myself. But when it comes to rewatch and recommendation, I definitely want to watch this again. I wouldn't even look for it. Pretty bad. What a what a typical alien invasion type of movie. Alien kill people for the blood. Blood for the eye socket. I don't know where the name the blood harvesting comes from. There's no harvesting in this movie. There's definitely wrong. No, not so much cool. Like I said, this has an interesting premises. I like the title, but this movie let down with a bad plot, bad acting. It's not very well written. Not a typical good alien invasion type of movie, if you even call that. So, I give this 4 out of 10. Well, that's it for Manoa YA movie reviews. Those who might have seen this movie, I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments. And you're new to my channel, comment, like, and subscribe. And until later on, I wish everyone to take care, keep safe, all the best. Bye for now. Peace.